performance appraisal, what really works? Don't we all want to know that? What really works in terms of performance appraisals? Whether performance appraisals are needed at all is a debate that's going on in global circles. So we'll start with Mr. Gautam. You can start with your opening thoughts on the subject, and then we'll delve into deeper issues.
First issue which really comes to my mind is every organization is battling with the same point. Does it work for my organization? And the questions and answers for each organizations are very different. And I think that's a fun part of it. Some organizations are looking at performance appraisal as differentiation for performance. Some are looking at it as really the feed forward for better performance for people. And some are saying, use it for frequent coaching, feedback, communication. Some are saying get rid of that entire system and don't have it. So I think that makes it pretty interesting. Also, I think the other issue is if you ask in any organization how many people are happy about it, unfortunately, it's a HR nightmare to ask that question. But I think the bottom line is not that, in my opinion. I don't think you should get driven by what employees or what stakeholders say from a sentiment standpoint. And that I would say after a lot of thinking about it. I think the key is what works for the organization performance should be the performance management system. And if you have not articulated that among yourself in the organization at the top, then obviously you have a wrong design in the place and you can never get it right. Second is, if you can't get employees to look forward to the February and March in getting engaged with it, then I think you got a wrong system.
Talent.
I think the key point is you need to really begin with that fundamental question, what is going to help your performance? And not get caught with things like delivery to begin with. I think delivery comes at the end, in my opinion, where Prabir was talking about delivery is the key. Ultimately, yes, employee has to feel that delivery is liked by him. But I think that's a secondary point to me. The first is the business.
The